Coder. In this video we're going to be practicing selecting data, and we're going to be paying close attention to the plethora of commands listed on this thumbnail. Let's crack on with it. And we shall start with the most well-known command in all SQL history. It's going to be select star, which means select all from and the source where we are selecting it from. So this is going to be the table called employee. And as we can see, we have plenty of employees, 1,000 to be exact. However, if we're not gonna use that star in the command, and we can type just select from and the table name, then it's going to return just the number of records that this table contains, in our case 1,000 rows. And we can also do a more precise selection. Say we want to select just the first names from our employee table, so we type select first name from employee, and here we go, 1,000 records with just the employee's name. We can also combine the records we want to select by just by mentioning them in our select clause separated by a comma. So select first name comma last name from employee will give us effectively 1,000 records with first name and last name of our employees only. And as you can see, all employees have names and surnames. However, as you can remember, 25% of the emails in our table are empty. So if we're gonna do a select by email from employee table, we can see that we have a lot of gaps in between our records. So this is how it works. However, we can enhance our select clause with more keywords that's going to affect the outcome result. Say we want to select all from employee and order them by the country of birth. We can also specify whether we want the results to be in ascending order or descending order by typing ASC or DEC respectively. So if I want the results to be in the ascending order, I can type ASC or leave it blank because ascending order is a default. So therefore I will omit it from my select clause. Let's see what we're gonna get. And as you can see, all employees are now ordered by a country of birth, and a country of birth are ordered alphabetically from A to Z. So let's try the descending order now. So I'm gonna clear the screen first, and then I'm gonna type select all from employee, order by country of birth, but this time I want it in descending order. And here, as you can see, countries are sorted alphabetically in descending order. But what's going to happen if we will order our selection by an email, remembering that 250 emails are blank? So if we type select all from employee, order by email and descending order, so as you can see, the first records shown are having a blank email, and then 250 records later we're going to see the first emails starting with the last letter of an alphabet, aka descending order. But let's say we want to check the geography of our employees, and we'll type select country of birth, and we'll order it by the country of birth. In that case, we'll just see the column with the country of birth, that representing where all our employees been born. So let's say we have 3 guys from Afghanistan, 2 from Angola, a bunch from Argentina, some from Brazil, and so on and so forth. But let's say we don't want to see any name of the country being repeated. We can type select distinct country of birth from employee and order by country of birth, and we should see only unique names of the country. So Afghanistan, Albania, Angola, and so on. But let's say we want to select something based on a certain condition. So we can type select all from employee and then the keyword where. That means we expect to have an output only for those records that satisfy a certain condition. In our case, it's going to be where gender is equal to female. In that case, we can see we've been given a list of our female employees from our table, and female only. And we can also combine 2 or more conditions in one select statement with a keyword and. So we can type select all from employee where gender equals female and country of birth equals, let's say, Argentina. So we want to select all female that been born in Argentina, and we have a few listed here. We can also add a conditional statement to our select clause, which might be satisfied conditionally. So if we'll type select all from employee where again gender equals female, and so the gender equals female, this condition must be satisfied. But then in the bracket we're gonna put country of birth equals Czech Republic. That means this condition might or might not be satisfied, or this is an alternative, Slovakia. So let's check it out. Now actually you need to equalize both ends of the or statement. That would mean that it's going to be country of birth equals Czech Republic or country of birth equals Slovakia. So now you can see what I mean. We have got the Czech Republic, but we doesn't have Slovakia. But if we will change it to Poland, you can see we have female from Poland or from Czech Republic. But let's say you don't want to see the whole list every time. Say you want to just check the first 20 records. So you can type select all from employee and use the keyword limit. and then the number of records you want the select clause to be limited by. And as you can see, we have 20 rows and 20 employees displayed. And we can also limit the number of rows returned by our select query with the keyword offset, which will mean that our rows will start from the position mentioned after the offset. Say we want to see the employees starting from the position 10 and we want to see 5 employees in total. So as you can see, number 11 is Graciana, so we're gonna miss the first 10 and we're gonna print out the 5 employees from 11th position onwards. There is another keyword used to produce the same results, but it's less popular. However, you need to know it, therefore I'll mention how to use it. So we can type select all from employee offset 10 and then use the fetch keyword with the number we want to limit our selection by. And we have an error. That means I've missed the first keyword. So fetch first 5 row only is the clause. So please give this video an emperor's thumbs up, toll the bell and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we can explore more of the selection keywords. Thank you. Bye bye.